Broccoli is often termed as a superfood. It contains potent components known as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, which have shown promise in preventing cancer. Cancer usually begins when cells in the body starts growing uncontrollably, forming tumors. Sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol in broccoli work in various ways to combat this process. Sulforaphane, particularly abundant in broccoli, activates enzymes that counteract harmful carcinogens and toxins. It helps the body detoxify and eliminate potential cancer-causing substances. It also inhibits the growth of cancer cells and encourages the body's defense mechanisms to eliminate these cells before they multiply. Indole-3-carbinol, another powerful compound in broccoli, helps regulate estrogen activity. Estrogen can sometimes promote the growth of certain cancers, especially breast and prostate cancers. Indole-3-carbinol may help balance hormone levels and prevent estrogen from encouraging the growth of cancer cells. Broccoli is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and free radicals, which can damage and contribute to cancer development.